Hi. As a University of Northern Iowa employee, do you know when you can make changes to your university-sponsored benefits? Do you know how to communicate this change to Human Resource Services? During this short video, we will first review when you can manage your benefits, and the last part will cover how to submit your changes by using the benefits self-service system. There are 3 times you can make changes to your benefits. First, when you are hired into a benefit-eligible position. You can also make changes every 12 months during our open enrollment period. At UNI, this occurs during the fall. Finally, when you have what the government defines as a qualified life event. These life events include, but are not limited to, changes in your family size, such as a marriage, a legal domestic partnership, or a common law union, or the birth of a child, an adoption, or change in custody. Another example is a divorce, or dissolving a domestic partnership, or the death of a dependent. Besides a change in family size, another qualified life event is when a dependent gains or loses benefit coverage. A change in your employment, from part-time to full-time, is also a qualified life event. Or, when you go from full-time to part-time. The last qualified life event is a permanent change of residence, from Iowa to a different state. Once you have confirmed you've had a qualified life event, you typically have 30 days from the date of the event to report it and make the desired changes to your benefits. To summarize, you can make changes to your benefits when you're first hired, during our open enrollment, or 30 days from a qualified life event. A full list of qualified life events can be found on the My Benefits website. Ready to make a change? Notifying Human Resource Services is quick and easy with UNI's online benefits self-service system. This is a comprehensive system, making managing your benefits easier than ever. This system will allow you to make changes to your benefits, enroll, upload important documents, check the status of your request, and much more. Start by visiting UNI's My Benefits website. Locate the Benefits Self-Service Login button. Click once on the button to access the secure system. At the login page, type in your university CAD ID, passphrase, and then click on the login button. A small menu of options will appear, giving you quick access to view and update your benefits. Making changes is simple. All you need to do is click the Manage My Benefits button. Next, indicate the life event, or reason, for changing your benefits. After selecting a reason, scroll down the page. Carefully read the change reason description. Then indicate the effective date of the life event by selecting the month, day, year. Lastly, click the Continue button. Based on the life event selected, the system displays all the benefits you are able to manage. Scroll down to view each benefit. After reviewing your benefits, start making changes by clicking on the Change This Benefit button. Now, all your plan options will appear on a single web page, allowing you to easily compare plans, select a different plan or option, or add, update, and remove dependents from your plan. The layout is designed like other shopping comparison tools, so that you can make the right decisions for you and your family. Scroll to the bottom of the web page to view your current enrolled option. Making a change is as simple as clicking the Select button. On the same page, if needed, you will list who should be covered on your plan. Be prepared to share information about your dependents. Need to add? Click the Add Dependent button. Need to update? Click the pencil icon. Need to remove a dependent? Click the trash can. Carefully read the authorization and certification section before clicking the I agree checkbox. Click the Save Changes button to save. The changes you made will show on the summary page, including new premiums and dependents. Read each thoroughly and verify your changes before moving to a new benefit. What else can you do besides make changes to health, dental, and vision? Enroll in a healthcare or dependent care flexible spending account. Enroll in a tax-deferred annuity. Investing in an annuity is a great way to save more for retirement. Elect additional term life insurance for you, your spouse and children. To enroll in a flexible spending account, enter the desired contribution amount, and watch as the monthly payroll deductions are calculated. Add the amount for additional voluntary term life coverage. The system is designed to prevent incorrect amounts. Once you made all the desired changes, read the life event authorization and certification carefully. Click "I agree" to electronically sign your permission for the requested changes to your benefits. Click the Submit button. The benefit self-service system is fast and user-friendly. Best of all, it is available from any smartphone, tablet, or computer with an internet connection, so you can manage your benefits day or night, whether you are at home or at work. Visit our website to get started.